Guys, we're back, day 2, back in school, and it's 9th period snack time. We're eating applesauce. Here's Bryce. Bryce, say hi to the fans. All right, nutritional facts. This expires February 11th, 2020. And applesauce. I spilled some right there. All right.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It tastes like
Applesauce.
Yeah.
We didn't make it. No way, we did make it.
we did. Yeah, we work for Mott's. So we just finished a senior X, and now I can't get the image applesauce out of my mind. So we're showing it to you guys. This is our form of art.
This should be our senior X.
Our channel.
How we made a successful YouTube channel. 5 views.
Oh yeah, thank you guys for the support on the last intro video.
Also,
The actual didn't get as much support, so that's all right. I spilled on my jacket.
also, you know, it's pretty great because now we got the app to record videos on YouTube.
Thank you for the platform. Get a show started. All right, now more about the applesauce itself. So, ingredients: apples, high fructose corn syrup, water, ascorbic acid, and vitamin C.
Ascorbic acid is.
Yeah, that ascorbic acid is very good for your leg muscles. They keep you fueled, keep you going throughout the day, you know, when you get tired.
Only reason you're able to run is because of ascorbic acid.
Yeah, so if you run, then eat applesauce and it'll help you out.
Is that good?
Yeah. Alright guys, we will see you next time on Camden Tate Dietary Planning.
Fine.
Peace out, baby.